Hello, and welcome everybody. My father once told me that if you really need to make money, just do the jobs that nobody else wants to do. That's why today I have put together a list of 9 of the dirtiest side hustles to help you guys start making some extra cash today. These are side hustles that anybody can do. Now, it takes a little bit of elbow grease, otherwise they wouldn't be dirty side hustles, but these are totally doable and you can get started for little to no cost. So make sure you stick around because I'm going to go over these side hustles. I'm going to talk a little bit about the equipment you may or may not need. And I'm also going to share with you guys a couple of websites that I found to help you get started. Also, I am not a business advisor. I am not a financial advisor. So make sure if you do venture into any of these businesses that you check with your local area for the proper permits, licensing, and insurance that you may need. All right, deal? Let's get into it.